The foldable phone market is about to witness a bold new contender that could shake up the competition like never before. Meet the Nothing Fold 1, a device that promises to redefine what we expect from foldables. Imagined by the London-based brand that brought us the disruptive Phone 1 and Phone 2, let's explore what sets this concept apart and why it's generating significant buzz in the tech community. The first thing to note is the unique design language envisioned for this device. The concept render, created by industrial designer Sarang Sheth, stays true to the brand's iconic identity. It incorporates the glyph LED lighting, a hallmark feature that has now been extended to the hinge of the foldable design. This is an innovative move since, while many brands focus solely on hinge mechanics, this concept adds both functionality and aesthetic appeal. The LED-lit hinge is not just a stylistic choice, but a feature that could double as a notification bar or a secondary display, much like the Edge displays seen in older Samsung flagships. It is designed to feature the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset. This advanced processor includes an 8-core CPU, a 12-core GPU, and an NPU for AI-based tasks, ensuring the device is ready for the most demanding applications and seamless multitasking, paired with 16 GB of RAM. The device aims to impress with a dual-screen setup. The outer display measures 6.5 inches when folded, while the inner screen expands to an impressive 8.37 inches, offering tablet-like functionality. The render suggests a total of 5 cameras, 3 on the rear, comprising a main shooter, an ultra-wide, and a telephoto or macro lens, and 2 front-facing cameras embedded in punch holes on the outer and inner screens. Powering this ambitious device is a robust 5,500 mAh battery. Combined with the power-efficient chipset, wireless charging makes its return, with support for 15-watt Qi2 wireless charging. It is expected to run on the brand's latest operating system, Nothing OS 3. The concept envisions a premium design with a metal outer structure and glass front and back panels. This choice of materials not only ensures durability, but also gives the device a sophisticated look. The minimalist gray finish, reminiscent of previous models, is likely to return, further enhancing the device's visual appeal. Additionally, strategically placed power and volume buttons make the device ergonomic, whether in its open or closed state. One standout feature is the glyph interface, which receives a significant update in this concept. This time, the glyph is more than just a static lighting element. It transforms into a dynamic display on the spine of the device. It can function as a ticker tape for notifications or as an additional screen for quick updates. The company's eco-conscious approach is also evident in the concept. The device is envisioned with recycled materials and biodegradable packaging, reflecting the brand's commitment to sustainability. This thoughtful design consideration adds to the overall appeal, especially for environmentally conscious consumers. While this concept has captivated imaginations, it's important to note that it remains a design vision at this stage, with no official release date announced. If brought to life, the expected price of $1,018 would make it one of the most affordable foldable devices on the market. What do you think about this concept? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates.